to the channel, guys. Real quick, I got this white Dodge Charger. A little buddy of mine bringing in a buddy of mine car. He want me to give him an estimate on a ticker. They seem to think it's ticking. So I can do that, do just that. And here it is, guys. It's a typical, I don't know what year it is. Let me see how many miles on it. 190? Is that right? Man, who tells me a Pentastar can't go that long, guys? That is 200,000 miles almost. All right, well, at any rate, there's a noise. They said ticking noise. In fact, let me do this. Let me start it up. Uh-oh. It's not a ticker noise, guys. I don't hear no ticking. Let me do this. Check engine light on. Uh-oh. Y'all hear that? I hear some growling. Oh, boy. It sounds like a flywheel. Ooh, y'all hear that? Yeah, this thing is not ticking. Well, it's not your typical valve train tick. Let me get a closer ear on it. Put a closer ear on it. Because we got to get it up in the air. I need to look at something underneath. No, I do not hear no ticking. I don't hear anything right now, so it must have to be moving. When he brought it in, I heard some grrr, some grit and growling. Yeah, this engine purling like a kitten. Now, I don't know if rock-on has been done, but if this car has went 200,000 miles without rock-on, kudos to FCA. Yes, car did well. There you go, I can hear some growling. Ooh, y'all hear that? Right there. I know y'all hear that. See, don't that sound like a flywheel? Like the Caravan old flywheel. Y'all know what I'm saying when I say Caravan. If not, watch this video right here. I'll show you how that Caravan sound, how a broken flywheel would sound. Make sure y'all can hear this. Y'all hear that? See, that's not a valve train tick, guys. Alright, we gotta get this in the air. I don't know what that is. But I gotta get it in the air and remove the transmission. I want to look at the torque converter bolts. If the torque converter bolt got dust all over it, yes, the flywheel is coming apart. But this is based on the year. Is it a dipstick tube on here? Yeah, I see a dipstick tube. That means it's a nag one transmission. Alright, let's get this thing in the air, guys. Alright. That's the only way we're gonna find out. And it had a check in the light on too, so let me scan it and see who it won't stay up. Oh my goodness, got some problems. Alrighty, guys. I have the topology pulled up. As you can see, yellow in the PCM, guys. There's a box for the TCM. You know why? Because this is a nag on transmission, and all nags have their own personal transmission control module. But we're not interested in that. In fact, it's not even yellow, so there's no fault code in there. We are interested in the PCM. Now let's go to DTC and see what kind of fault codes we have. Uh-oh. Cat efficiency below. Bank 1 and bank 2. Y'all see that? 0430 and 0420 and 06DD, guys. Oh boy, this could get. Oh man, my experience, 06DD always leads to a oil pump, guys. Oh wow. But his biggest concern is finding out what this noise is. Okay. If I'm not mistaken, I think I told this guy a while back he needed 2 cats. I don't know if he ever got them fixed. Or he was trying to get an emission. Y'all know if to check in the light on. Plus these codes are stored. You can't get an emission if you're checking the light on. And I think this was a minute ago, so I know he haven't gone this long without cats. But guys, I'm not into cleaning cats or trying to repair cats. You got a cat code, especially efficiency code. You likely need cats, okay? And depending on the mileage, which in this case 200,000 miles, you're gonna also get O2 sensors if I'm the one that's repairing it. Okay, that is a rule I employ to myself. All right, high mileage vehicle, if you need cats, you get O2s as well. Okay, you don't have to do that if there's not a lot of miles on the car. So here's what we're gonna do, guys, because this is bothering me. The noise, I gotta address the noise first. Here, let's do this. Let's get this thing up in the air and go from there. All right guys, here's this Dodge Charger. Nag 1 transmission, no big deal, but look. Now, remember there's a cat code, 0430 and 20. That's bank 1 and bank 2. Now, I remember about, what, 2 months ago, he had this code, and I was telling him you need cats. And I gave him the price on OEM cats. Naturally, that is expensive. I get it. I don't blame him. But when you go, I think he said he paid $150 for these. Is these select fit? I don't know if they weld this on or not. I don't know. But at any rate, it's not compatible, guys. It's not the flow rate. It's not. I'm not sure what the computer have a way to deal with this guy, testing cat efficiency. And not only that, let me show y'all something. Now this side is holding up well. Look at this. I hear that? That is the noise they're hearing. He told me my engine ticking. So okay, so I'm thinking I got a ticker job. Yeah, it looks like they cut right here and welded that. I'm thinking yeah, right here too. Nope. That is the noise he's hearing, guys. You can tell a ticking noise. It would tick. This engine is not ticking. It is, however, making that growling, that noise right there. I thought it was a flywheel. That's why I had to get it in the air. Okay, it's hard to test this stuff on the ground. But now, as far as that P06DD, remember, guys, that typically leads to an oil pump, but not necessarily. Okay, if you don't have any oil in it, based off this oil leak, there's a chance you may not have any oil in it. So the first thing you need to do is check the oil level. All right, now I don't see where, y'all know if the oil filter adapter housing is leaking, there'd be a lot on the top of the engine. So I don't know, I'm gonna let it back down, but I really wanted to rush and get this thing in the air so I can look at something. But those cats, it's just not, it's not doing it, man. It's not gonna cut it. Forget the noise, the flow rate is not even there. These look different, man.
So I was gonna say, do he need both of them or just the one on the
Yeah,
side?
he got a codes for both. The computer picking up both cats.
So he need
Efficiency.
Yep.
Is this, see now, that's, I can see why our cats are $1,000. Cause it's select fit. They come all the way around. You know what that noise was? No, fucking cat.
They got all these cat codes too.
Yeah. Find out what his leak is at. Oh, it ain't the oil filter adapter down?
Nah, if it was, it'll be all back here. But you could push the light up here. See it?
It's coming from the vacuum?
Yeah.
It's a lot of oil for the back.
I know, right? And how's it make it? How's it ending up right here? If that's, oh yeah, I do see a drip right there.
You have a bigger.
We'll see. Hold tight, yeah.